Hello everyone, thank you for tuning to our YouTube channel W.D.T High Performance. Today we're making a thing going to the side flares for the 2010 Dodge Challenger wide body demon kit, and I will show you the other side. So we're making this template, that's not a template, but a piece going down inside the side flare to make it level, and we're going to have screws coming through here. Right now we're using rivets to hold this in, so you'll see what I'm talking about in a little bit. But yeah, we're making this for that. The body kit on my 2010 Dodge Challenger is a body kit from Vicrez. Trying to make a little improvement for the Vicrez wide body demon kit to fit onto the Challenger much better. So like this side here fits on, not coming off. That's fine. We're gonna be doing it for this side here. We're fixing this here. So we're working on this side first. That piece you saw me working on is gonna be for this side here, for the right side of the Challenger in the front. I'm gonna remove all this right here, remove it. I'm gonna have them redo it later after I get the side flare put on from Vicrez. See, Vicrez one has it just like you use it right here. You put it on here, clips onto here. Then they expect you to just glue it. It doesn't work as good. So yeah, we're making improvements. So we can go from there. Again, marks right here where I'll be drilling, then put in the rivets for here. So here, here. You can see on the back of here, that's what it looks like. So we got this side already riveted. Again, sorry I can't do why I'm drilling and riveting it because I have no one else hold the phone for me. So yeah, alright, let's go head downstairs and I'll show you what it's going to look like. So this is what I'm talking about inside this side flares for the wide body demon kit. So I'm going to show you what this is going to look like inside there. So it's going to be like this on the inside here. After we get the, see this X marks right here, so like I said, it's going to be a screw here, a screw here, a screw here, a screw in the middle here, and a screw in the middle here. Rivet, 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 rivet. There's going to be one in here, it's going to be rivet as well. So anyway, this is like our brace for the inside of this. And so we're going to make it where it sandwiches it to the side of the Challenger. We are going to use some glue and some fiberglass to hold it down. So keep it in place and everything. And we're also going to tack weld the screws as well. Just what you know. So that's what we're doing so far. Now I'm gonna start working on this one here and this one here. And excuse me for the mess. We got a lot of projects coming down here. From working on firearms to everything to car parts. So yeah. And by the way, doing any kind of work, wear safety glasses. So we're going to start doing this side now. So here's the rivet. Goes in. This is the rivet gun. Try to do this one-handed. hard to do it. So let me pause the camera. Okay, we got that riveted on there. So now I gotta drill this side out right here. Then riveted too. Okay, get this other side done. So both sides are done. I'll be working on this one next. And we're working on the one bracket for this one here and our bracket over there. So we got all the little brackets on here done. That's basically what you're doing. You're making a bracket for the inside of this to stay. So let's take a look at it. Put it in here. So now we gotta drill these holes out right here for the screws here. And we might move this one somewhere over here, or maybe on this side here. Who knows? Then we'll do this one here and this one here. Then we'll take care of the rest of the stuff. So we're doing bit by piece. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Please subscribe to our channel, W.D.T High Performance, and please go to our Facebook group, W.D.T Toys. We'd love to have you. You all take care and God bless. And before I go, I think Vicrez should have done something like this for their side flares. So Vicrez, if you're watching this, here's some ideas for you. Take care everyone and God bless. Bye.